Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here para diethyl benzene is given. You have to find whether the compound can give how many number of signal in the 13C NMR. Before finding the NMR signal, you have to know whether there is any symmetry present inside the molecule or not. Here the compound has inversion symmetry, meaning you will meet the same atom in the opposite side. It may consider as C2 axis also. What really happens is the atom with the symmetry will have magnetically equivalent chemical shift. So those atoms will have same chemical shift. So if you apply that rule, you will find the compound has only 3 signals. Even though it has many carbon, it has only 3 signals due to the inversion symmetry. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.